Hey, Fiber Splice, what's going on, man? Hey, Fiber Splice, what's
Oops.
going on, man?
Sorry about the echo.
Oops. Hey, Dean, Corey 2S, what's going on? How's everyone doing today? Nice bull flag break right there. Beautiful. Very textbook. I was short and I just flipped the switch. Oh, let's see. Fiber Splice, sounds like your day went a lot like mine. So, yeah, for sure. Up and down. The big sour spot in my trading today was my XFA or Top Step. Smoked it. Very disappointed. Very disappointed in that. But, you know, I don't know. They take profit trader. I was up $500. Actually, I was up almost $800 unrealized at one point. It came back against me. I got down. I ended up stopping myself out. I was up $500 for a daily payout, and then I ended up going down, and I was down like 400, something like that, and then back to like 290, like negative 290, and then now I'm back up to 493. So I'm kind of having a bit of a roller coaster day myself. Yeah, crazy. Be interesting if this actually turns down, and then, which I don't know. We're about 100 points off the lows now, but if we take out today's low, go out as another trend day, it'll be absolutely wild. Because the intraday RTH sessions have been trend days like crazy. Nice volatility. Nice range. So. Hey, Eric Lake, what is happening? Up $600. Let's go. Awesome. Yeah, if we're back up, let's keep it this way for sure. Thanks, man. See the laundry basket in the background. You on puppy detail? Nice. Wow, we are just rallying now. Hey, Kato. Yeah, I just decided to hop on a little bit. Just for a minute or two. Wow, nothing for me now. I ended up hopping out of this trade here. I was in three contracts long off this this flag break. Got out at 419. Hey, Kato. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Get that money. I hope you guys had a good day. Trying to get the dog to go to the bathroom. Yeah, try to get the dog to go poo. She sits under your feet while you trade. Nice. Oh, big rejection there at 440. I'm gonna get rid of this. Mohammed, what's happening? Hey, Trader 007, what's good? Pretty decent trading. So today, the first inside bar did not work. Did not work today. But it was okay. It was a manageable loss. A lot of people I know ended up trying to take, let's see if I look at MNQ. Let's see, where was it? Yeah, 950. Yeah, a lot of people took this inside bar. They took this as the break. Or they used this as the inside bar, the 950. It technically was not, so it didn't actually show up. But if you did hop in on it, you got paid. Because here's the 950, this 950 bar, and yeah, absolutely ripped lower. I did not take it. It showed on MNQ. So I'm curious if anyone took the first inside bar on MNQ. They got paid. I ended up taking this one here at 10:05 or 11:05 Eastern time, and did not pay. Be long or short? I would long here. So I just got out of this trade. I took this trend line break, this flag break. I just got out of that trade. Took it for about 19 points with 3 contracts. Hey, Futch, what's happening? Thank you, Eric. So wait to see what happens here. We get MOC here in about 10 minutes. Murder on close. Hey Mo, you hung with Husk, nice. Husk is a cool guy. He's a chill dude. Trying to pass step 1, step 2. Just... Oh, nice, Eric. Pushing up at 440s. Put in a Harami candle here, but it did not break to the downside. This is why I like, when I have Haramis, I like to take the break and not just hop in as soon as you see it. I know sometimes Methodical Man, he'll trade it as soon as it like it has a bearish Harami, he'll just hop in. I like to take the breaks, but hey, Spider Lily, what's going on? Stefan, what is happening? It's good to see you. I hope you guys had a good trading day. Another kind of wild day. I mean, really. These slow trend days are just kind of tricky. Trend day down, trend day down, trend day up, trend day down, trend day up. Kind of a trend day down in a way. Going right back to the range though, headed right back to the VWAP. Nasdaq's actually only 14 points in the green, so right back to unchanged. ES 15 points in the red. Looks like ES is starting to push up too. Perhaps finish unchanged. We'll see. Murder on close in about 6 minutes. Reversal head and shoulders. I don't really trade head and shoulders, but possibly. Possibly. I kind of think that we push up towards the VWAP. It is a very weird low that I put it in though. I gotta say, it is a weird low. Massive inside bar here. This is actually pretty big candles, guys. I'll hop in long here off this inside bar, but man, we'll see. I only need a few hundred more to get past this consistency. We can break up through the 450s. Pretty tight stop. I kind of wanted that candle to just go. Doesn't look like it's going to. Maybe. No, quick little stop out there. It's alright. I still think we push up to the VWAP. Ah, man. I was down 200 on trade. Close it at 150 up, and that's gonna put me at 782. Oh, let's go, Eric. Nice. 782. That's awesome. I still like this trade. I'm gonna hop in. This is on an eval too, guys. I'm trying to pass this or get 50% consistency. We'll see. I trade both, Muhammad. I got both. Trade props and alive. Lately, I haven't been trading futures on my personal account, though. I've been trading options, SPX options, option spreads. Come on, push it. Hey, Corey, what's happening? I don't know if I said hi already. What's happening? Come on. Well, we'll get the murder on close here. 30 seconds. Just really hoping to tag it before that. Don't look like it's going to. Just missed it. Just missed my take profit. So that was a little flip the coin gamble there, but I just missed my take profit. Literally stopped at, I had to take profit at like 61 something, and literally the high was 60. Probably could get it, probably will get it now. Projecting off that 460 now. $29 points off from unchanged. So 29 points in the green. ES 15 points from unchanged. What's YM doing today? YM's 290 points in the red. Very interesting. $23,571 tonight. Leave it. Close it 5 minutes before close. It's the guarantee, the trade legacy guarantee. 23,571. Quote me, write it down. Mark my words. Nice. I love it. Did I do any trades around the open? Yeah, for sure I did. Yep. The first trade I took, I ended up getting smoked on, or one of the first trades I ended up getting smoked on was the inside bar. First inside bar today. Did not work. It's worked 4 days in a row. Did not work today. It's about a 79% win rate, so but it was a manageable loss. And yeah, I did get beat up. I ended up trying to fade this push on my XFA and smoked that XFA. Green on everything else. Tradeify ended up getting back like $1,200 on each one of those accounts. I hit daily loss limit yesterday of 1,300, so I got most of that back. Buellnox was green. But yeah, I was trying to take scalps off these outside bars and stuff, and they just really weren't working. Again, this inside bar ended up paying on the MNQ. I ended up trying to take it, or actually I did not take it. I ended up trying to take this one. It did not work. But yeah, and then I ended up just like saying, well, I think we're just gonna keep trending lower, and I just kept trying to short. But yeah, around the open and stuff, like I don't do any of those like 15-second ORBs or anything like that. Not yet. My very first payout ever came from doing stuff like that, but kind of like Alpine style. Those little 30-second ORBs, things like that. That's how I ended up getting my very first payout ever. Doing that one now? Nice, Krister. Yeah, the thing about it is just got to be consistent with it, and then not try to trade outside of the edge. And I think that goes with most prop strategies, is like trying to trade outside that edge. You know, just stick with it over and over and over and over again, and try not to let the one losing day or a few losing days blow up your account. You know, that's the trick. But yeah, like really like having that mindset of like, what am I really risking? Like I felt really bad blowing that XFA today. Like it did. It was stupid, and I wish I didn't do it. But then I have to remind myself, I'm like, well, okay, well, what did I really pay for that account? Well, it was $200. So I lost $200, you know. That's how when I play the prop game, that's how I look at it. It's like, what is my total cost of the, you know, the account? That helps relieve some of the anxieties about placing trades on funded accounts. Hey, Fiber Splice, thank you so much. Yeah, smash that like button, guys. I appreciate it. Just a little pre-cap to prequel to the tonight's stream. We'll do it again tonight. Got a 4K payout? Nice. Take Profit Trader. That's awesome. That's great, man. Yeah, Take Profit Trader. I'm on day 6 of daily payouts with Take Profit Trader. Another one today, 493. I don't know if I can see. I wonder if I can see what the total is. If I can do this. No. I think I've been trading this account for more than a month though, so. So yeah, so I'm thinking like, so Take Profit Traders kind of trading their rules with $20,000 payouts. Moves you to a live account. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna get the call up pretty soon. I've been live with Take Profit Trader before, but I ended up blowing the account. The only reason why I was live with Take Profit Trader before is because I had a 10K day, and that's once you hit 10K, then they move you to live, you know. Yeah, exactly, Smokey. 30%, 34 to make 16,700. Yeah, that's the prop game, right, Smokey? I mean, that's I do the same stuff. Like, you know, I don't get it too bad, but like some people will go, well, I can't believe you blew an account and all this stuff. I'm like, it's the cost of doing business, really. So yeah, kind of playing the prop game, but yeah, that's awesome, Smokey. Hey, Design, what's happening? B-Dub, what is going on? Market's slowly pushing higher, 471s now. It's headed for that VWAP. But yeah, it's really tough to do that in like a live account, like a personal account. Like what Smokey's saying, you know, he spent 3,400 bucks, made 16,700 though. Like once you get to that point, you know, when you're resetting like take profits, wow, we are ripping now. Trade Legacy says we're going to 571, so mark that on your calendars, guys. We're going to 571. I just said we're going to the VWAP. I don't know. This is the VWAP. 510s. Market says we're not going to go down on a downtrend day. It's not going to happen. Still pushing higher. Woo. Is there any earnings tonight? Oh, what is this? Nothing significant, I don't think. Rocket Lab. Oh, Trump's about to speak? Oh, thank you for that, B-Dub. Mixed bag, Bluetooth, FFNs. Also pass another Fideus. Oh, nice. $1,000 static draw. That's awesome. That's a nice account to have. Tom Sabo, I bid at FOMO. $7K short. Let's go, Thomas. That's awesome. That's a good day, man. Ripping. Actually, my 475, but I'm up 3,100. $3,100 on a funded account. MFU funded is awesome, helpful. What kind of account helpful? Core or expert or pro or? Yeah, that's a great day, Thomas. 50K starter plus. Let's go. So the nice thing about the core accounts, no consistency once funded now. So they've changed that. The pro accounts, yeah. If you're having big days like that, pro accounts are where it's at. But yeah, now with no consistency, it's pretty sweet. I got this account up to 1,081 today, this core account. It only can trade one mini on it. It's a little bit. It's not bad. That's plenty, but sometimes I like to add to a winning trade. No consistency is insane, but with the core and the scale, they cap your payouts. So yeah. So that's how they can get away with it. But if you build a nice buffer, you should be able to milk the payouts. Because even if you copy trade 5 accounts and you get $1,000 a piece on a payout, you know, with 50K core accounts, you know, it's 5,000 bucks. It's pretty good. I used to get 3,600 a pop when trading the 3 starter accounts. I get because they were $1,200 payouts, so I'd get $3,600 a pop. Now with you can trade 5 accounts, so I'm gonna try to work on getting 5 accounts, one at a time, and then try to start getting those $5,000 payouts a pop. It's kind of my game plan, but we'll see. Blew a funded today. I did Tuesday. I blew one. All right, right at the VWAP, just hanging out. It is part of the game, for sure. Yeah, definitely part of the game. Zaid. So, hey, Coach Fred in the house. What's happening? The VWAP. That's right. Rejecting there. Yeah, it was really stupid on my part with that XFA. I mean, that was really dumb. I had it up to $3,000. Ugh. The grindy sell-off day, yeah. Well, that's kind of what we've been having lately, is these grindy days. These grindy trend days. Today didn't finish on this low. So I guess technically it wasn't a trend day, but like, let's be real, 90% of the day it was just trending down. So yeah, it was just so totally tough, and that's the way every single day has been lately. I like back and forth action with volatility. That's kind of my thing. So, big MW days, that's kind of what I like. But I've been trading it pretty well. I'm not disappointed. It's tricky. Stupid is a lesson. Yeah, so Zaid, so here's this might make you feel better. This might make you feel better. Okay, this is the dumb shit that I did today. So my XFA, I was on day 4. Day 4. $3,000. I had 4 days over $150. I had it at $3,000. I blew it today. All I had to do was just keep a reasonable stop, $600-$700 maybe. Let's just say $500. Daily loss limit. Come back tomorrow. Make $150. Take out the remaining, right? So take out $1,250. Take out half of it. I still would have had $2,500 in there, $2,600. But no, it's like I couldn't stop myself with that top step. Something about top step, I don't know. I think it's because where there's no consistency. Is like I want to push it. I want to see that number up to $15,000. And I overtrade it like crazy. So that's what I did today. It was just, I was like, oh. And then, after the smoke clears, you go, oh, why did I do that? But, it was just that one casualty, and the rest were good. I still got a daily payout coming. And the Tradeify is looking really nice. I got back what I lost yesterday. I'll show you guys those. So these Tradeify straight to funded accounts, which I don't know. I tend to trade a little differently. They're a little more expensive. I don't feel like... I don't know. I just trade them better in a way. My largest payout ever was with straight to funded accounts. So yeah, here's the Tradeify accounts today. So yeah, so these are looking pretty good. 52,626, 52,652. This one's at $1,500 because that's the one that was disappeared for a couple days. So they're all looking pretty good. I'm not sure where I'm at on consistency. I'm pretty sure I have to build them up quite a bit more to get consistent, get under the 20% consistency, but yeah, I mean, they're looking decent. I lost 1,300 on them yesterday, and so I made most of that back today. Just copy trading them. So people ask me if I copy trade, and I do in batches, and I copy trade within the firms. So like I have 3 Tradeify accounts right now, and I copy trade all 3 of those accounts. So that's what I do. Bulinox was green. Bulinox was green. I only have 1 master account right now. Just got 2 payouts with them. $1,000 each. And they hit the bank. But yeah, I have 2, just 1 master account right now. All these are going to be 90% off rebuild. So that's what I'm waiting for. And I'll have 3 master accounts again. So overall, it was a pretty good day. It was just, but yeah, kind of a roller coaster. Yeah, helpful. Yeah, for sure. Thank you, Coach Fred. Yeah, I almost walked away red on the... I was pretty proud of myself on the Take Profit Trader Pro account. I was down about... At one point, I was down about $390 or something like that. And I was like, ugh, all right. And I walked away, went to the gym. I came back. And I waited for a setup, and I took it. And then I got a little bit back. I could cut it in half. And then I ended up taking another nice trade. I ended up believe it or not, I ended up catching some of this long here off this account. I traded quite a bit though. Let's see. Yeah, so I traded quite a bit. So I ended up catching some of this long. I actually caught the bottom, believe it or not. Yeah, we put in this weird harami type candle, and I ended up going long here. And then we pulled back, and I did a wick test long, and I just scalped a little bit there and got it back to almost green. I don't know what I was doing here. I actually took a short here. We swept the high here, and I ended up taking a little quick scalp short, and then I ended up taking the long here off this flag break. But in the morning, I was trading a little bit too much. I was doing some over trading. And that's what I ended up getting that $493 daily payout today. Yeah. A little wild. Wow, market rate back to VWAP. Kind of cool. But yeah, thank you, Fred. Appreciate that. Has the aftermarket started? So we are in the last hour. The regular trading hours have closed, but the futures markets will run for another hour. You play with 3 minis? Oh, that's dangerous games, Fred, but I've done it. 1,500. Oh, nice, Coach Fred. So yeah, it's almost like the payout never happened. So right back. That's a good feeling. That's the thing, guys. Like with Bulanox, like Coach Fred can attest to this. Like, yeah, you have to trade it and get it up, say a 50K account up to 4,100 to get a max payout. But once you take that payout, you have such a nice buffer that a lot of times you can get multiple payouts off that one account. So it actually helps you as a trader, but it's not easy to get there. It forces you, you know. What was the... What has been your experience trading live? Any different from Sims? No. Albert, no. I treat it the same. I've been trading long enough now that it all feels the same. But they like to try to like psychologically mess with you when saying that you're going live and all that, but you know, the fills are the same, whatever. It's all the same. For me personally. When I go live, I grow just a little bit longer. No, I'm just kidding. Totally joking. The big difference, so a lot of prop firms, if you go live, they offer kind of incentives. So like Take Profit Trader, Pro Pluses. One of the major things is it goes to end of day, and the other major thing is it goes to a 90-10 split. So like this payout right here will be an 80-20 split. So you save yourself 10% every single time, which is nice. That it really adds up. So 90-10 split. So that's a bonus. So yeah, Take Profit Trader. That's new. When I was live with Take Profit Trader, they didn't have the end of day. It was still intraday. It basically like started you over. Before. Now it's different, which is nice. Yeah, Zayd, I hear you. 2,000 red, but easy, but hard to go 300 green. No, for sure. It's psychologically. Yeah, exactly what Benjamin. It's all psychological. One of the things that helps me, for sure, is adding to winning trades and seeing those bigger numbers once you're adding to your winning trades and really trying to push it. But yeah, I think it just comes with reps. Like for me, it's come with reps. You know, and I still, you know, you know, have bad days. Where's your P&L on what? Which one? Down here in the left. Did it disappear? Yeah, I always have my accounts down here on the left side, left corner. Bulanox can't really see because I think because of my... Oh yeah, you can see it. Here's the P&Ls for today. I was up $800 on that pro account unrealized, which really pissed me off. So I'm like, but hey, 500 bucks a day is a solid day. So Sage, you got a question about my fund future? Sure, anything. I'll ask it. I'll answer any question that I know. Oh, thank you, Zayd. I appreciate you. But yeah, any questions you guys have about any prop firms, whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm an open book. I'll tell you exactly. If I know something, I'll say it. What annoys me about Tradeify is they don't get rid of these old accounts. They just sit there. Hey, Ethan, what's going on? The end of day trailing drawdown in fund account, does it stop trailing like Top Step or always trailing? So it stops trailing like Top Step. So it's end of day. So if you start out with $2,000, let's say, you make $1,000 that day, then you lose it comes up $1,000, right? The end of day drawdown. And then until you get over $2,000. Once you get over $2,000, then it stays static. But yeah, it's end of day. My funded futures. Yep. Hey Ethan, it's going good, man. But yeah, yeah, once you're over 52,000, it becomes static. Yep. Ends tomorrow, I believe, Ethan, or maybe the end of, yeah, I believe it ends tomorrow. 40% off, guys. Take Profit Trader. No activation fees. It's $102 for a 50K account, all in cost. But if you get to a payout, you get that back. They refund you, I believe. So, well, no, I don't believe. I believe that's how it works. They refund you $102 once you get to a payout. Yeah, My Funded Futures has the fastest payout. You guys know who the second fastest payout is? Believe it or not, I think is Tradeify. Tradeify has the second fastest payouts. Hey Corey, the phone trader, what's going on? I don't know if I said hi to you. What's going on, man? Yeah, smash those likes, guys. Appreciate you. Yeah, I took a few trades, so we'll talk about a few trades here that I took on the recent ones. So basically, here's what I was looking at. I ended up hopping in short off this inside bar, thinking that we possibly could head back down to the lows, but it immediately pushed back up. So I ended up closing out the trade. I flipped long. We're putting in this wicked bull flag, trend line type thing. And I ended up flipping long once we broke that, and it hasn't looked back since. So that was the setup of the power hour right there. It's one of those ones I wish it would have just held on the pro account and then made a couple $1,000, but. For example, when you get your first payout on MLS, that's a 0, so you make 50. Yeah, it's the same as Top Step, I believe, Zaid. So, yeah, your drawdown now is at 0. So if you take a payout, your drawdown's at 0. Yeah, so you can't hit the 0. Well, actually, you know what? Technically, Zaid, I believe with My Funded Futures, you have to leave 100, so it's actually $100. So it's 50,100, I believe, unless they've changed that, but that's the way it used to be. So let's just say you made $52,000, right? So let's say you made $52,000 with My Funded Futures. You withdrew $1,000. You now have a $900 drawdown left. Did I say 5,200? I meant 52,000. So yeah, let's say you had a $52,000. You started with a $50,000 funded account. You got it to $52,000. You took a $1,000 payout. Your drawdown is now $900 because you have to keep $50,100 in it. There, I think that makes sense. It made sense to me. Oh, trade day. I traded trade day to do too, Chrisen. That's another one. I didn't. I'm up on the trade days today too. Let's not forget about trade day. Poor trade day. Yeah, trade days are tough. Seven days to trade them, but let's pull up the trade day real quick. See what I did on that. I almost forgot about those. I believe I was green, and then I just kind of forgot about them because you got to trade them for 7 days anyway. Yeah, this is a trade day counts. It's a nice green day on the trade day. 872, 929. So got this count up to 1825. This count up to 1649. These are end of day accounts for trade day. Really good deals with trade day right now, guys. Use code PINE with a capital P. $59 for a intraday trailing drawdown 50K account. No activation fee. So that's all in costs for a 50K intraday account. End of days are $99. But yeah, you have to trade them for 7 days, stay under 30% consistency on the evaluations. That's the kicker. But you can get a payout on day one if you're fortunate enough to get there, right? So funding ticks. So I am not really familiar with funding ticks yet. I haven't really traded with them, bird trades. I do have a code with them. If you guys like to use the code, feel free, but I have not traded with them myself. So I want to look into them a little bit more. I'm really just trying to focus on these daily payout accounts. I really like them. That's kind of what's been paying the bills lately. But yeah. Don't you hate when you look back and see a perfect entry? But yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's always in hindsight, Pond, for sure. It's always in hindsight. I had a feeling. I kept saying, I'm like, yeah, we're going to go to the VWAP probably. But then once it got up to unchanged, I was like, maybe we just hang around here. But then, yeah, we ended up pushing right up to that VWAP. So, interesting day. Fiber splice, I don't know. I don't actually keep track. I keep track on a daily basis. I don't actually keep track of my payouts. I know it's bad, but I don't. I don't like it. I don't like it in my brain. I don't like to know. I'm very like power of now. Like I'm very like when I sit down every single day, okay, it's like a clean slate. This is what I'm trading. And that's kind of how I do it. But it's significant. It's significant. I haven't even done last year's taxes yet. I'm bad. I'm bad. If I was to go and do it, like what I would do is, I'd have to add up all the payouts and what I'm cost for the day and things like that. But what I do is I have an app on my phone called what's it called? It's like a day trader app, and it's just a calendar. And then like every day I write down what did I spend on. Sometimes I'll write down like what I spent on evaluations and what I got for payouts, and what I made on a personal account, and then I just kind of add it up for the day. And that's what I do. Yeah. So many of these streamers, and it's fine. Like they always put like how much payouts they got on their screen. Like you'll see it blasted across the top of their screens, but like they're not talking about like what they actually spent and all that. They'll just put like payouts year to date, and lifetime payouts, and that's fine. You know, I just choose not to do that. Like I was talking to my trading buddy with it, and I'm just like, about my channel, and I was just like, you know, I just don't want to do that. I don't want to put that stuff up there. Yeah, you can deduct for sure, Ethan. Yep. No, this is what I've been doing. This is what I've been doing for the last 2 years, Mo. Trading full time. Yeah, I've been 1099 for. Well, I've been 1099 for a few years now, but yeah, this is all I do. Now I make money with. So I make money trading. I make money on. Prop accounts, you know, obviously. I make money through YouTube and affiliate money and my personal account. I have a decent sized dividend portfolio where I get monthly income, and so yeah, that's all I do. That's it. I also have a very, very low I have very low living expenses. I have no debt. The only debt that I have currently is through an ambulance bill. Oh yeah, that's right, Average Mo. Yeah. I want to check that out, actually. That's cool, man. Yeah, I am not good with that stuff, for sure. But yeah, I just, the no debt, for me, was the key. What's your YouTube channel called? Average Mo? Average Finance. But yeah, alright, cool, man. I just subbed to you. Outside bars treating me pretty well. It was a loser today, Brandon. Four in a row, though, this week. So 4 in a row on the first inside bar. But yeah, today the first inside bar did not pay. I ended up taking this one here, and it got smoked. But yeah, a lot of people ended up taking this one here. They thought it was an inside bar, but it wasn't. But those that took the short got paid very well. It showed up on MNQ as an inside bar, and then they ended up taking the short. But it just swept the low of the previous candle by like a tick. But yeah. Yeah, no problem, Mo. Yeah, I'll check out some of your stuff. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it there. Appreciate you guys hanging out. But yeah, use code PINE for all the props. You guys know the deal. I appreciate the support. It's been awesome. I'll be back in a few hours. I got some errands I gotta run before, and we'll do it again, right? And come back tonight. We'll do a giveaway of some sort. I don't know what, but we'll do some sort of giveaway. Might be cash. I don't have any accounts to give away. I tried to get some accounts from some of these companies, and they said no. They said, you're not Patrick Wheeland or Kellyanne. We're not going to give you any accounts. So I said, okay, fine. So I'll do it myself. But anyways, it's all good, guys. I appreciate the love and the support, and I'll see you guys in a few hours. Peace.